here is the extended storyline script. Tim Blake from Hickory Grove Baptist Church located in Independence, Kentucky shows us an incredibly creative stage design that's bound to catch everyone's attention. Walking into an avalanche of cherry red Americana waving historian rebirth finishes, putting curved steel frames present painted with bright floral designs using just a single £50 each of construction foam, almost 500 boxes wrapped all together, totaling literally over 180 pounds, costing them approximately $11 for all their wrapping efforts. They took it upon themselves to simulate that winter holiday twinkle within large wall-to-wall installations, incorporating numerous crepe paper wrinkled cloth stacks stacked underneath tables, creating real authentic scenery. This entire colossal creation came life thanks exclusively an incredible outpouring from the versatile, brilliant team. Tim was blessed enough to have especially hand-picked interns bringing in impressive skills reaching far one extra or both 100 students, assisting uncountable wraps, folds plus arranging every critical artistic step meticulously. Now what's exciting about this build is color master planning and coordination. It's a clear visual cue inspired directly itself, all around Christmas decorations with bright bold patterns of rich green metallic sheen, golden lily designs, red checks, while also adding wooden boxes, which gives added impact aesthetics, making extremely attractive. Visually beautiful scene captured by many spectators during that incredible, powerful holiday weekend celebration they were seeking create at night, where everybody could feel like happy, joyful, festive moment comes full presence through entire atmosphere lit up beyond hundreds lights shining beautifully across winter tree branches, giving it massive grand illumination within church event decorated so. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.